Hey guys, it's Jen from ScanNCut Jam Sessions. Okay, so you come over here to this page. Here's the Show Outlines Only button. You click that if you just want to see the outlines. The Preview button will, again, show you your cut lines. Oops, let me drag this hard over here. There we go. So it will show you your cut lines. And I will work with the color actually on it right now. Excuse me. Okay, here's how you can go about changing your mat. And you can change the orientation of it. Be careful though, when you change this to this orientation, it will not work in the ScanNCut. It must be this orientation, alright? Because it's how the ScanNCut reads it. And it happened to someone last night. Alright, and you can of course change it inches. I'm an American, I have to have inches. I get all confused if it changes. Okay, so let's see, what else? Your color. When you do a design, if you do not want it to save any color, if you just want it to be outlines, like if you're going to do an SVG file and you want to put it up as a free file share, make sure you come in here and you click None. Stroke, you have to have a color picked or else it'll just completely disappear. Because if not, when you save it, if this color is picked and it's pretty much looking like that, it does not matter. It will still fill with color. Even though you don't want any, it'll still fill. So make sure that you have that set to None. I'm going through here just trying to pick things that we haven't touched on before. Right here. Okay, I went ahead and put my mat back. Alright, your transform. Here's your mirror. So you go to Object, Transform, flip horizontal, mirror. Alrighty. And I think, yep, you can also get to it in your right-click menu. Your arrange, you can bring it forward and back. The only thing the right-click menu doesn't have is a duplicate, and I would really like it if they would do that. Let me show you. When you click on your duplicate, or duplicate, whatever you want to call it, you have to click these right here, and that will bring it up. If I click cancel, it just cancels it out. Okay, so let's come up here. You can't do the duplicate rotated because it's, I can't remember the term, but the design is, it doesn't matter. It'll pretty much be the same thing. Let me pull something up here that might work though. You know what? Let's just get this out of here. I'll pull this up because I want to show you what that looks like too. Okay, so Object. See? So cool. And rotate it into custom. And we don't want 180 this time. We want, let me see if I can type this in here. One-handed here. 90. There we go. So you can go in there and, you know, if it applies to whatever you're doing, this is a really cool little feature. Okay, and some of you had asked for how to do nesting shapes. So you go pick whatever shape you want or pull it in, and then you come up to your shadow layer, which is under the Effects tab. You click your Inset Shadow. Okay. And then, let's see here, let's do it at about, well, I guess I'll just come over here and do this. Nope. Let me. Okay, we'll do it at a 0.9. Okay. So there is one. And here is another. They're so hard to see. Okay. So let's click that back to the center. And we'll click this one back to the center. Okay. And let's keep going because this is how you do it. And Okay. So you can actually add your layer counts. So we have 1. Oops. And I got to come up here and ungroup them. Don't forget to ungroup them, because otherwise it'll look like it didn't work. So see, you have all of these different shapes now. So that is how you are going to create your nesting shapes.